Hello everyone, my name is Mythic, and in this video we will learn what is SMC. This is not just a video on SMC. We are starting a whole series in which I am putting SMC from basic to advanced. Means I am putting the whole course of SMC in YouTube. Within a week you will get all the lectures of SMC. You will get the whole course on my channel. If anyone is new, then he can subscribe. Today's video is an intro in which I will tell you what is SMC and why do we need SMC. All of us traders, chart pattern, candlestick pattern, indicator, and general price action, we work on all these things. 54. You saw a pin bar, you saw an inside bar, you saw a hammer, you jump, you saw W, you saw head and shoulder pattern, you saw triangles, you saw trade line, you saw support resistance, you will jump. 1. You put an indicator. What are your indicators? EMA, MACD, RSI. You take a trade on them using 60-40, or EMA of 9, EMA of 100, EMA of 50. There is a tab on it. Price. You get a rejection, you take a trade. And despite doing all these things, the data comes that 99% traders have failed in 2025. What happened is that despite using all these things, 99% traders fail. Do you think that the daily trade in the market of trillions of dollars, I am not talking about $1,000, nor am I talking about $100,000, nor am I talking about crores of dollars. I am talking about thousands of crores of trades, lakhs of crores of trades in the market. There are thousands of crores of trades in the US market. There are so many trades in our stock market every day. There are big players. There are people from banks, people from institutes, people from hedging funds, FIIs, DIIs. Do you think these people trade by looking at support resistance, trade line, or indicator? My question is, do you still think that these people trade by looking at support, resistance, or indicator? Use your mind. Use common sense. Do you think that these people trade by looking at support, resistance, trade line, indicator, or chart pattern? I am giving you some examples. Let's say we trade on W. You must have seen many live streamers, many YouTuber videos. You must have heard a lot about W patterns. You saw the W pattern. You take a trade when the neckline breaks. There is a retest like this. The price goes up. Retest is done. You take a trade. You are taught to create a long position like this. Keep a slight stop loss. Keep your target up. You are taught this. But actually what happens? Price goes down. Try to understand what I am saying. Where did the buying come from? Did it come from the neckline? No. Then the buying came from here. The market came down, tapped, and came here. Then why are people teaching on the neckline? Actually, where did the players buy from? From here. And where are people teaching from? From here. And when you take a trade here, you fail. I am not saying that W doesn't work. W works, no doubt. But 3 or 4 out of 10 times. Overall, it fails. If it doesn't work 3 or 4 times, people won't trust it. And if people don't trust it, big players won't be able to manipulate people here. And retailers won't trade on it. Big players want you to look at W, M pattern, head and shoulder pattern, trade line, support, resistance, and keep moving in that. And they manipulate those places. And liquidity is created there. Basically, what is liquidity? Let's understand that. You and me, whoever is placing buying or selling orders. Buy, sell, whatever is happening. In 1 lot, 2 lot, 10 lot, 12 lot, 15 lot. That place is where liquidity is created. You must have seen that the market is at 45K, then 45K, 100K, 150K. So this momentum of up and down is because of liquidity. Liquidity is a fuel of the market. Liquidity runs the market. And big players need liquidity to fulfill their orders. Now you will ask, why do big players need liquidity? Now understand me. You have, no doubt, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, or 1 crore. Let's assume you have 1 crore. And in lot size, what is your trade? 10 lot, 12 lot, 20 lot, 50 lot, 100 lot. You are happy, right? You have so many orders. But when we put so many orders in the market, they get filled immediately. If you put an order for 50 lot, the market fills it. If you put an order for 20 lot, the market fills it. Why? Because the number of orders, the number of lots, is ready to be sold. Because our middle-class people, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh, they are in front of us. They are in crores. They are in crores. But have you ever heard that there are a lot of people with 10,000 crores in my area? You haven't heard of it. Or the owner of 1 lakh crore property lives here. You haven't heard of it. So when they are big players, like FIS, DIS, Bank Institute, when they put an order for 1 lakh crore, or 10,000 crore, or 15,000 crore, so what do you think? When they put an order in the market, they fill the order at once. Basically, they create a zone is created where you get confused if you want to buy or sell. And that zone is called sideways. And when it is a sideways market, what happens? Some are buying, some are selling. Some are buying, some are selling. Because of premium decay, stop loss is created. Or against trade, stop loss is created. And after collecting all the stop loss, their order is filled in the market, and they give momentum in the market, where they have to go. If their entry is on the call side, then the market will go there. If their entry is on the put side, then the market will go there. So basically, what I am saying is that if they are trading for $1 trillion in the daily market, then you, in this time, you are still thinking that they are trading on support, resistance, trade line, or indicator. No doubt, many people have said that there is SMC price action. No doubt, but don't judge me now. Don't judge me now. Give me time. Let all the lectures complete. You can tell me later whether your SMC was good or bad. Don't judge me now. Just understand these things. This is just an intro where I am telling you about SMC. Why do we need SMC? If all support resistance, trade line, or candlestick pattern, all these things work, or indicator works, then 99% traders don't fail in the market. You can check on YouTube. There are 16 million views on a candlestick pattern video. 2 million traders are not profitable, and quote, forget about 16 million. 2 million traders are not profitable. What does that knowledge mean? That knowledge is not working. You know it well. You know it well. You know it well. You follow the strategy. You have taken many people's courses. In every course, support resistance, trade line, indicator, indicator, indicator. In every course, support resistance, trade line, indicator, 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 trading platforms, indicator, 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 supports, indicator, 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 indicator. Above all else, critical data, risk and management principles, finding out the most egregious and valuable information. Knowing what trading entails is a sacrifice of competent and relevant information, and I will come back to it. Forget about 16 million. Forget about 16 million, you know it well. You follow the strategy. 1 to 2 knowledge videos. 848, price action video. 850, and a strategy. You make people run away. 853, you give them money. 855, you get trapped there. When you bring all this knowledge to the market, your knowledge doesn't work. Basically, What I'm going to teach you in SMC, I am just telling you today. Within 1 week from tomorrow, all the lectures will be uploaded. I will give you a suggestion. Complete all the lectures. After that, tell me if you have changes or not. If all these things worked or not. Come here and comment. No doubt you will abuse me. I will accept. No doubt you will praise me. You can tell me everything in the comment box. I will come and tell you. This chart, I come on live stream daily. You know very well that all the trades that I am holding on live stream in front of your eyes. What did I see here? What did I see here? That I sold from here, or again sold from here, and suddenly I am buying on low and selling on high. In 957, you have seen me many times. Evolved to begin with. And old viewers and new viewers understand these things. Basically, how I am selling on high and continuing it on low. All these things, SMC tells me, in ... In the coming days, SMC's glasses will be in your eyes, in ... 14, and you will be able to understand the chart. See here. It was a high time frame POI. It tapped the high time frame POI, and it sold against the POI. Here came. In ... 25. I made a sell position, put a small stop loss, and I captured 1 out of 18 momentum. Again, came down, made an IDM. In ... 34, tapped OB, made a sell entry, and captured 1 out of 15. Again came an IDM from here, went up, and ... 45, tapped an imbalance, and made a put entry from here. In ... 48. All these things are new for you. 1050, imbalance, OB, boss, POI, choke, 1055, IDM, liquidity sweep, 1057, SMT, 1058. All these things come under SMC. 1101. I am going to teach you all these things. 1102, for free. I just need your time. 1106. Watch my upcoming 8 to 10 lectures. 1109. This is my guarantee. 1110. That there will be a lot of changes in your life. 1113. I will change your view of the chart. 1116. I will change your view of the chart. 1118. You see so many candles here, many indicators. 1122. W pattern. 1123. H&S pattern, triangles, red line, support, resistance. But an SMC player. 1130. Never sees these things. 1132. SMC player sees liquidity. 1134. If you don't know where liquidity is. 1138. Assume that you, 1140, have become liquidity. 1141. What I mean is, if you don't know where liquidity is. 1142. You are trapped. 1148. You are trapped. 1151. Some people can trade with big players. 1155. But 99%, us traders, 1158, get trapped. This is the reason why 12:2, the ratio of becoming. 12:5, a profitable trader. 12:6 is very low. Peep. They lack